Hello, how are you? It's Sue Madex from madexcreations.com, and today I'm going to show you a batch of cards you can make using the hand-penned Memories and More cards and envelopes and the Memories and More cards. So let's have a little look at how easy it is to put together some cards using this set of products. Okay, here are our products that we're going to be using today. So we've got the Memories and More, hand-penned Memories and More cards and envelopes. So you get a pack with some cards with this beautiful dotty base to it. They're nice solid cards. And you also get the coordinating envelope. So it's got this nice coordinating paper here. It looks lovely. So that's our base for our cards. We have got, I'm using, well, you can use any greeting really for these, but I'm using some from the Hand Pen Petals set that does coordinate well with this paper. So that's a handy one to get if you're getting that one as well. I'm using that 2021 to 23 in colour jewels. So I found that some of these colours went beautifully with this collection. And then of course I am using the Hand Penned Memories and More cards here. So let's have a little closer look at these. Okay, so here we have got our Hand Pen Memories and More card pack. This is just part of the pack because I've already used some of it. Let's have a little closer look at what you get in the pack. So you get the large ones here, and you've got a mixture of, you can see there's some that are great for if you are using them for pocket page memory keeping. They're perfect, or they're also designed to be able to be used on cards as well. Lots of different ones if we flip them over. So sometimes if you don't like one side, you'll find that you like the other side. So lots of different designs there. We've got a couple of sheets of these beautiful stickers. So they're got quite a solid feel to them, these ones. You can stamp greetings on them. Some of them already have some little things on them. You get 2 of each of these sheets. I've used up some already. And then there's also the smaller cards here. You can use for a little feature element. I'll flip over, have a little look through some of these ones on this side. Now let me just show you. So these are designed to be used for memory keeping, so you can use them in a pocket album. So you can see I've used a couple of them here on this one when the kids were little and they used to love heading down to my parents' place. This day they set up the tent in the backyard. So I've just done a little bit of journaling on one. I've used one of the stickers on that one as well. Super quick and easy to just pop into an album and get all of your memories down and your photos down and recorded and not just sitting there on our phones. So that's one use for them. You also can use them for cards. So let me just show you some of the cards that I've made with them. Okay, let's have a little look. So what I tend to do is to go through the cards and find the ones that would be perfect on a card. So you can just pop it straight on like this one. I've put the little greeting one on top. I've stamped that in the black ink. So black's a good colour with this one, goes well if you've got a black ink. I also popped a little bit of one of the in colour ribbons on that one as well. And the little in colour gems in a little triangle, of course. I don't know if you can see those gems there. Let's have a little closer look, a little touch of sparkle on there. I really got that stamp set just because I just love the font of that thanks. I quite often send thank you cards, so that was a beautiful one. Now this one, that card's already designed. It's one of the ones in the pack. It's got that beautiful enjoy. I've popped a little sparkle on the J for our little dot there, and then just to give it a little bit of a lift, because that was a fairly similar tone to the card base, I've put one of the other cards on as a little shadow there. So that was a handy one. Now some of our little cards, all I've done is picked out one of the beautiful patterns there and then layered up a few of the different little elements from those. Where are they? Those little die stickers that we come in the pack. So this was already stamped, super quick and easy to put that together. Here's another one using one of the ones already included. I just cut down one of the cards to be a nice sort of size to fit on the front there, and then cut another one to be a shadow. Yeah, and there we go. And then I popped this one up. It's sticky backed, but I popped it up on dimensionals just to give it a little bit of a lift. We've got our little triangle of sparkle there as well. Once again, This one we added a few layers here, so I popped some ribbon on and then a couple of our little pieces. This was just an offcut, that yellow piece from one of the cards. And I've used one of our little flowers there with one of the little gems in the centre. I'll pop the name of that, the flower embellishments. They're quite cute as well. Okay, so just a really quick way to whip up a batch of cards there. Let me find you some other ones. Okay, lucky last two. I like this paper, isn't it pretty? Such lovely colours in this one. And then I've just stamped this on one of the little leftover pieces that I had from one of the other sections, and we've got a couple of little die cut flowers that were in the pack as well. So you can just keep it nice and simple. The paper does all the work, doesn't it, with this one? Now, this one this was a plain background, and I've just grabbed out my Stampin' Blends. I think I used Pool Party, what was that one? I'll pop the colours up here on the screen. I forget the name of it now, and some So Saffron. So popped a little bit of colour into those ones there. So whether you are doing some scrapbooking or memory keeping, or you are ready to whip up a batch of cards, the hand-penned Memories and More card pack and Memories and More card and envelope pack are quite a great combination here for doing some beautiful creating in some lovely soft colours. Thank you very much for watching today. I've been Sue Madex from Sue Madex Paper Crafts, and I will catch you again for some more creative inspiration for things that you can make at home. Take care, everyone. Thank you.